What up, good people? I'm back. Finished the blood work. It was a lot quicker than I expected. Got the blood work done, but the nurse had a little trouble getting blood out of me at first because I didn't eat anything, didn't drink anything. My wifey was telling me, don't drink any water, nothing, no coffee, nothing. Turns out that the nurse was saying I was dehydrated because they couldn't even get any blood at first. Asking me if I had drank water that morning. I'm like, no. My partner told me not to drink any water, so I didn't drink no water. But when I did research this morning, I found out that I can drink black coffee, even though I don't like my coffee black, but I didn't have anything. So it took them a little while to get the blood, but they actually got it, and I had to, they needed a urine specimen. I had to pee in a cup, and I was out of there. But it was kind of crazy because during the process while I was waiting, I'm on my phone and I'm looking. I got a news article, and it said that New Jersey had a 5.8 earthquake, and I'm like, what the hell? So I send a link. Immediately I send a link to wifey, and I guess she hit up my mom on a group chat to make sure, like immediately she must have hit my mom up, because right after that I get a text message from my mother in the group chat, me, her, and my wifey, and she's saying that it happened at 10:23 a.m. Everybody's fine, everything is okay. There's no reported injuries so far. But my mother, she lives all the way in Long Island, in Great Neck, which is Nassau County, on the borderline of Queens. And she was saying that at first she thought it was a truck outside or construction or something, until she realized that her apartment building was moving back and forth. I'm like, wow, like what? And just a little while ago, I'm looking on, scrolling on Facebook, and I see one of my Facebook friends and real friend in real life, Jazzo, out in Amityville. He posted something like earthquakes in Suffolk County, like basically saying this is Revelations. And he's all the way in Suffolk County, so I'm assuming that they must have felt the effects of it all the way out in Suffolk County as well. To my knowledge, the last time something like this happened was 2011. They say we had an earthquake in 2011 in the tri-state area. Well, I didn't feel anything. This one is actually was felt. I don't have that much knowledge of, the math, when it comes down to the math, but 4.8 seems like it's kind of a big earthquake. I mean, the whole tri-state area is feeling the effects of it. Hopefully there wasn't no damage and nobody got hurt, injured, or anything like that. I guess we'll find out more as the day goes on. Right now I'm driving, so I don't really have stuff like that. But yeah, I guess I'll be keeping myself updated with that. But the crazy thing about it is also that on the 3rd, April 3rd, lightning struck the Statue of Liberty. I've been seeing that trending on social media, like pictures of it. It looks crazy. I'm just like wondering, like, was that a sign? Was that a warning letting us know like an earthquake was about to happen? Because you know it's all electric. It's all electricity. You know what I mean? Even with you know, the Statue of Liberty being in the water. You know, we know water is dealing with, you know, electrical currents, which is another reason why they refer to money as currency. And this has a lot to do with finance, I'm sure, on another level. You know what I'm saying? Like on a spiritual level that really can't be seen. But also, it's very interesting that we're expecting a solar eclipse, I believe, on correct me if I'm wrong. I could be wrong. It could be. I'm thinking it's a full solar eclipse, or it could be a lunar. I think it's solar, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And yeah. On April 8th, which is in 3 days. It is very interesting that this earthquake was 4.8. It was a 4.8 earthquake. We're expecting this eclipse of 4.8. Very interesting to me. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that like button. Very much be appreciated. Cheers, it's a lot going on, man. There's a lot going on. And honestly, I feel like a lot of the stuff that's going on in the industry, with a lot of individuals being exposed, you already know who it is. These people are. I don't have to call no names. I think a lot of it is, you know, I'm not saying that none of it's true, but I think the way they promote all of this kind of stuff on the front line is just like to keep us distracted. So we're not really knowing what's going on the back end or behind the scenes or in the back office. You feel me? this far.